This is the Iniska post-process. My name is Max Wielenbach, and today I'll show you how to safely post-process 3D printed parts. Risks in post-processing? What do we actually mean by that? Working with toxic and reactive substances can involve various risks. We're not just talking about simple skin irritations, but also about serious illnesses like lung cancer or pneumoconiosis. Moreover, aluminum and titanium in particular are prone to deflagrations and explosions. So, how do we protect the user from this without compromising on the processing itself? This is where the Iniska post-process comes into play. Cumbersome protective clothing is simply replaced by the enclosed working chamber. Whether it's gloves, a respirator, or hearing protection, all of that becomes unnecessary. We'll show you exactly what post-processing looks like in practice using this example. First, we'll focus on removing support structures. In this example, we're using a pneumatic chisel. Processing can get quite dusty. That's why the dust hunter monitors to ensure we don't reach a critical atmosphere. The workspace can be cleaned with the air pressure gun after processing, but of course also in between. Naturally, all other abrasive tasks can also be carried out safely during post-processing. But let's get back to the workpiece. In the next step, we need to remove any remaining supports and deburr the component. For this, the Iniska Micro installed in the post-processing station comes into play for the first time. With up to 60,000 revolutions and a wide variety of handpieces and motors, there is a suitable option for every application. In this step, we use a coarse diamond burr to cleanly remove excess material. Depending on the requirements, the workpiece may now need to be ground and/or polished. As is well known, this can often be the most time-consuming step. Thanks to the adjustable height, we can work comfortably all day, whether standing or sitting. To ensure we can work without worry, an extraction system is essential for us. For this, we rely on a 3-stage filtration system, including a HEPA H13 filter. Whether by hand or with a crane, your workpieces will always find their way into the workspace. Enough with the theory. Let's schedule an appointment now. And to make sure you don't miss our latest videos, subscribe to our channel.